So recently somebody emailed me asking what is the secret to being a successfully global speaker, and in this video I'm gonna show you exactly what is the secret.
Oh, thanks for this awesome idea.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference, where we show you exactly how to double your confidence level, how to engage the audience and connect with your audience better, and how to master your communication in such a manner that you make that powerful impact and impression with your speaking so that you can become much more confident as a speaker and you can grow your income. In fact, it's a very, very practical course. I also coach you on the stage on exactly how to improve all of those good things about speaking. But here's the thing right now. Recently somebody asked me about what is the one key to being a great speaker, and I see that all the time, that people always look for that one thing to being a great speaker, being a great leader, being a great entrepreneur, being a great father, being a great lover, being a great son. And I think the one thing to be a great speaker or being a great communicator is you have to pay the price. You have to pay the price of success. See, most people are not willing to do that. They are not willing to pay the price for success. They want to be the great father, but they don't want to pay the price of actually spending that time with the kid. They want to be a great husband, but they don't want to pay the price of actually getting those great surprises for the wife. They want to be the great entrepreneur, but they don't want to pay the price by actually making those phone calls and the sales calls and doing the meetings. They want to be a great speaker, but they don't want to spend the time by investing in themselves and learning the skills that can make them a great speaker. Make sense? So if you want to actually improve your great speaking skills, you have to pay the price. And here's the thing, if you don't pay the price for success, you have to live a life of average, of mediocrity. Nobody's gonna know your name apart from just some people in the office and in your family members. Nobody's gonna know you when you're gone. You'll not have any legacy. Nobody's gonna miss you. Nobody's gonna cry for you because you have just been average. But I know that if you're watching the video, you don't want to be average. You already are an awesome person. You already have the knowledge, the information, the expertise in your field, and now it's time for you to amp up the game. How do you do that? You pay the price. So if that means going to a course and understanding, do it. If it means, structuring your ideas in a great manner, do it. If it means that you having the time to develop yourself and you investing in yourself to really grow your skills, grow your mindset, do that. If you want to be a better father, pay the price for being a better father. If you want to be a great husband, pay the price. If you want to be a great friend, pay the price. If you want to be a great speaker, pay the price for success. Because if you don't pay the price for success, you have to live an average life. And I know you don't want that. You want the success for yourself. So that's my tip for you right